Modify and delete elements based on their type and extension using element type change delete. Start the macro and wait for the editor to appear. Within the window, different options are available. On the left side of the window, you can select the element type that should be edited or deleted. Additionally, you can select whether all elements of that type should be affected or only those with a specific extension. If you choose to replace the elements, a new extension can be set as well. In the next step, you can choose if you want all pieces on screen to be searched or only the pieces you select. To finalize, click either Change or Delete, depending on your task. When selecting Change, a second editor window opens, allowing you to pick a new element type. The new extension will be displayed at the bottom of the window. Confirm your selection with OK. The elements have been changed. The process for deleting elements is very similar. Start the macro and select the element type and extension you want to delete. Choose how the pieces should be selected and continue by clicking Delete. The selected elements have been deleted.